I'm going to show you how Taja AI works. This is a tool that's been made specifically for YouTubers to help them optimize their channel and get more views. I have created a really good review video on this product. If you'd like to learn more about what the product does and who it's for, there is a link below in the description, and I encourage you to take a look through as it will provide you with a great amount of information. So as a quick summary, Taja AI helps you as a YouTube creator optimize every part of your YouTube presentation on the panel. So when you go into manage videos, you can update the title, the body description, the tags, the hashtags, even thumbnails. It'll give you recommendations. These recommendations will work with the algorithm to rank your videos higher and get you more views and traffic. And that's what it's all about. You can also choose things like the type of tone of voice that you would like used, and you can obviously edit any of the words that it provides to you. At the end of the day, it's an artificial intelligence tool that's been made to save you time. On average, it takes up to 3 minutes, sometimes only a minute depending on the length of your video, up to 3 minutes to fully optimize and give you a report on what the recommended suggestions and changes should be. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you behind the scenes right now. I've chosen one video that's a very old video in my collection to show you how this works, and then you'll be able to see for yourself the fast way that you can get jobs done without having to spend hours at your computer. So the very first thing we need is a YouTube URL. So let's go here. This is the URL of a video. It's called Lesson 6, How to Publish on Amazon KDP Help Topics. I'm just going to copy paste that here. Also, it asks you to put in some keywords or context. I had typed this in earlier, and the keywords or the context is how to write a book and publish on Amazon Kindle, and the tone is let's say uplifting, and then you can choose any of those and optimize. Now, once you click optimize, the AI tool will go through your channel. It'll work on what the branding and the style of the channel is, what your commonly used keywords are, what's trending. There's a whole lot of actions happening behind the scenes, as you can see as it's spinning the circle now. It'll transcribe the video, and it will do all this work and the groundwork and give you a result. So very quickly the result of this video has come through, and the first thing you'll see, it's got the transcript from the YouTube video when it was created. So it starts with transcribing it, reading it, understanding it, reading what's in the channel, reading what else is there, and then providing you some insights. It's telling me here that these are the title 6 to 10 that would be really good for using on the channel, and it says that the virality score, the best one would be number 6. So let's copy this in. So all you have to do is go back here. Now I am going to keep the lesson 6. As I mentioned before, this is where the human part comes in, that you'll need to make informed, educated decisions about how much you change and how much you accept. So this is part of a series of videos, so this is in order. I want to keep lesson 6, but the rest of it I'm happy to change. The second part, it tells me, okay, this is how it would look with the new title. That kind of gives you that visual impact of how your video looks on on YouTube. And then it gives you a description. So we're just going to copy this, go back here, done. And then if I didn't like that description, I can go re-optimize. It's very hot here in Australia at the moment, and it's the beginning of January, and we are definitely reaching some crazy hot temperatures. I'll just turn my fan off so we don't get the interruption. Here we go. So it's giving me another opportunity for a different type of description. And the next thing, it gives me all these suggested tags. So we'll just copy that, go into the video, select audience, books, done. Okay, that's done. What else can it tell me? Generate thumbnail visuals. And now it's going to give me some alternative ideas for thumbnail videos. It'll look at the video, look at the images, and then come up with some suggestions. What I have found in the past is that the thumbnails, they're actually quite good, but they may not always be to your style or your existing channel, or they may not just be what you want. And it's really just taking a look and see if it makes any difference and if you're happy with it. I was quite happy. I used it for a couple of videos, and I thought that was a great way to save some time rather than going on Canva. Okay, so it should be working any moment now. And what I do like is while you're waiting for this to magically appear before you, you're getting real-time updates onto where the AI tool is currently working in the creation of the work that you've requested. Okay. Now you can see here it's generated 3 thumbnails for me. If I was wanting to do it, I could choose any of these. They kind of look like those casino gambling thumbnails, which is kind of quite funny. And of all of these, I probably would choose the second one if I was going to choose that. So we are all done. It's given me everything that I need. Here are the hashtags that we were looking for before. Let's just make sure they're included. Done. Save. Your video has now been optimized. Now, what I would like to test is how does this video compare on another tool that I was using earlier for optimizing. I use this tool called Tuber Rank Jeet Pro 4, and what this tool did was rank my videos or tell me where I would rank. So let's just go here. Kindle books. Okay, so that's worked really well. The next thing I want to show you is let's go over to YouTube and let's find a video. YouTube Elon. Oh no. Let's find a video. YouTube video Mr. Beast. And let's try that with this. I'm not going to put any keywords in this one, and I'm going to have it as a controversial one, and let's optimize and see what they say about Mr. Beast, who's quite a legend on YouTube and has a lot of subscribers. Okay, the results are in for Mr. Beast's video. What does it tell? Really good. So it gives you the transcript. What did Mr. Beast say? It gives you some titles here, and it shows you how those titles would look if you changed the name to one of them. Actually, it's quite funny. He's quite a character. And then it gives you these links. It gives you the chapters, gives you the tags, and generates the thumbnails. If your channel was connected through Tasia, you could sync it to YouTube and it will link the updates for you. So there you go. That's really easy. I'm going to include a link with this video at the very end that you can go and do the review and try it. I just want to take you behind the scenes, and that's as simple as is, guys. I mean, you can't, there's nothing hard to learn here. You just have to know the URL, pick a keyword, and then optimize. Way to go. That is the simplest AI tool I have ever used, and I definitely recommend it. I hope you found this really helpful. Thank you so much for your support, and I wish you the very best day.